All right, they're giving us the similarity statement up top. And what are they saying? They're saying that ABCDE is congruent to GHJDF. So let's line them up. Let's give them some colors. Well, D is to D. We can see that right there because it's each the fourth letter, and that's this right here. And then A is to G. That's lining up those. Second letter, B is to H. And this is just like what you expected. Fits just the way that you thought it was going to, right? C matches with J. And E matches with F. Okay, so they've just scaled up this middle thing. So complete the statements. Angle H. I'm going to get all the lines that I just put in there out of there because I don't think you need them. Okay. What lines with angle H? Well, you can just go actually straight up to the top picture anyway and say H is the second letter in, so it's going to be the second letter on this one, and it's B, those two right there. Angle B. So can't be that or that because that doesn't have angle B named. These do. And GH over DJ. Let's give them some colors. Oh, GH is to DJ as, and of course we're going to go out here and say, then AB is to CD because it's got to take up the whole bottom if it's going to be the whole bottom part of the little house shape. Okay, so AB is to, and let's do them in order. They said DJ. They went from left to right, D to J. So let's name it left to right, D to C. And that's got to be A, can't be D. There you go.